In this part, we'll talk about the way to set up taxes in Shopify. Before we start, let me tell you why we should set taxes. Many retailers must add taxes or VAT to their merchandise depending on the nation. It would be preferable to seek professional advice on how to set up taxes on your store in order to prevent any fine. It is still a good idea to do some study or consulting a tax expert about how much sales tax you should be charging. Even though Shopify will handle the majority of tax computations automatically for you by using default sales tax rate around the world, you must modify the default tax setting if different taxes apply to your locations to specific good or delivery. You don't know how to set up your taxes? Don't worry, as setting up taxes in Shopify is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few simple steps. Now, just go to Shopify admin panel and click on Setting section, then find Taxes and Duties. From here, you see the Manage Sales Tax Collections section. You see there are a lot of countries, and your job is not to select the country or region. For example, I will choose United States. Now Shopify led me to the current tax service of my country, and I can see the transaction fee is 0.35% when you reach $100,000 in United sales each calendar year. Now you see that my store is located in Utah, for example. So I need to manage tax liability. So now I click on it and start collecting taxes. In Sales Tax ID, enter your Sales Tax ID. If you have applied for a Sales Tax ID but don't have one yet, then leave this field blank. You can update it when you receive your Sales Tax ID. Then click on Collect Sales Tax. You can delete or change your registration or account number with this button next to the state name and account number in the region you are collecting in the section. Now let's scroll down to tax rate and exemption. In the category products for tax purpose, you click on Manage Categories. Your product may be subject to special state tax rule. When you categorize your products, you can be more confident that you are collecting more accurate tax rate and choose the product categorized here. This section is important because sometimes different product categories are going to taxes differently. For this products, I choose all products, so all my products have been categorized. Now go up and you see Shopify tax. Here you can choose to activate the level to how your store calculate and collect self-tax. Once you have set up your taxes, be sure to check your checkout process to make sure everything is working correctly. If you need additional help with setting up taxes in Shopify, you can contact the Shopify support team for assistance. By following this step, you can set up taxes in Shopify quickly and accurately, ensuring that you comply with all application tax law and regulation. This is the end of the part on how to set up taxes. In the next part, we explain more about how to add a domain for your Shopify store.